Guys, today we talk about how can you find your fits on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on your photo profile, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come to this line here, then you swipe like this until here you found fits. Just click on fits here, then it's going to show for you here all fits you have. I have no fits yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.